Hello Leos, this is your monthly reading, bi-weekly reading for the last 15 days of May. This is a quick reading, so let's check out the energy of my beautiful Leos for the last 15 days of May. Your energy, King of Swords. I see this card before also, so this card definitely want to pop out for you. So you are like straightforward about something in your mind is like so clear that what you want to focus upon, or if you want the truth or the clarity, so you are so much like direct that what I want, right? So you are so much like on a right pathway, mentally clear that what you want to do next, or what truth you want from your partner. So you are like so much straightforward. So let's see your partner's energy. You are not dealing with any sort of a confusion, right? This is like your mental state is so clear. So your partner's energy for the last 15 days of May, Three of Swords. You are too much direct. You want the truth. Maybe there is some sort of a third party situation. They feel the pain. But you are so much clear with your words. You tell the truth. You are straightforward. What is right, you are going for the right thing. So much direct. And your partner is like feeling the pain. If this is not a third party situation, then your words are the reason of the pain of your partner, because your words in some sort of a way hurt your partner, right? So this is like that. So let's see your love energy towards your partner, my beautiful Leos. Seven of Swords. This is like a card of cheating, lying, or maybe this is a card of self sabotaging. You are simply denying your feelings, emotions, or you are just simply want to run from this connection because of some logical decisions. Because currently your focus is like totally logical, you are practical, you are thinking like a practical person. So something you are doing that is like giving the pain to your partner, and that is like a little bit of a runner kind of energy in your part. You are like a runner from this connection that give the like a lot of pain to your partner. So let's see their energy, your partner's energy. Two of Swords. They don't know. Lot of swords in your reading. You both are thinking a lot. You are not the one who is thinking that much, but your partner is literally thinking a lot. They are confused, overwhelming, going through pain. They are too much emotional. They are like feeling on a crossroad. They are not able to handle their emotions. This person is totally like blinded, and they don't know what to do. So this person is like just simply a blank. They are thinking a lot because of lot of emotions. So your energy, Ace of Pentacle. You want to start something new. You want a stable new beginning in your life. You have some plans, some strategy in your mind. You simply want a new beginning in your life that is like practical, financially stable, full of stability. Whether with your partner or maybe just in your life, but you are too much focused upon your new beginnings. Your focus is like your new beginning, your desire, your dreams. Let's see your partner's love energy. Your partner's love energy, they are not that much solid. They are very emotionally weak. You are very like practical, thinking from your mind. You are making some sort of a plan to achieve the stability. On the another hand, your partner is like they are very emotional. So let's see one more card for your partner. Star card, Ace of Cups. This person still hoping for this connection. This person hoping for some divine magic. This person wishing for this new beginning with you that is full of love. You both have new beginnings. But the thing is, they are desiring for this new beginning. And you already make your plan of new beginning, whether with this person or maybe in your life. But you think each and everything from your practical mind. And they are the simple who is like a daydreamer wishing for this connection. Right? So let's see the final outcome of your connection. Lot of emotions, you both share a lot of emotions, but at the same time, King of Cup is like know how to handle their emotion. Maybe at the last you both learn how to balance your emotions, right? So if you like, then lecture and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.